So much work went into this Bronco.
Good night, everyone. I'm going to go die in the street.
Y'all wore Weston down.
It felt like it was just gonna go over backward.
We were straight up and down.
Action.
There's so many things that weren't tested before we got out there.
What's up, y'all? It is Sunday. It's a beautiful day out. Hi, Becky. Come here. Becky wants to say hi. Say hi, Becky. I got my Starbies. You know, I'm doing basic white girl things. And today, I'm gonna start the rebuild of my RZR, basically. So where I'm about to show you guys is basically the graveyard where it has sat this entire time. Set my drink down here. Since the last time I broke it, which was almost a year ago. So this is our little house garage. Flip the camera around. So it is a whole mess in here because the dogs like to hang out in here. They eat the wall and stuff. But here she is. I hang laundry off of her from time to time. She's looking pretty rough. Basically, this is where she sat after I tore her apart when I ripped the front axles out from underneath it at Rednecks with Paychecks last year. No way that just happened! Oh my god! R.I.P. to my boots. Literally. So basically today I'm gonna clean this whole garage because it's an entire mess. But I'm going to wash off all these parts, degrease them and everything because they've been sitting for quite a while. So a little bit of spring cleaning going on and RZR build going down. Let's get into it. Yeah, she's a little dusty. So I'm definitely gonna be power washing this thing before I do anything with it. Because there's some cobwebs up in here and I'm terrified of spiders. All right, got everything over here pretty cleaned up. Sure looks a lot better in here. So now I'm gonna start taking apart the coilovers and some of this other stuff so I can get it sandblasted and powder coated. This is my bumper that I never got to put on my RZR that Rogue Off-Road made. I really love this thing. It might be kind of obnoxious, but I think it's gonna add a lot of color to the back of the RZR, so I'm really excited. All right, y'all, so I haven't done purple on a build in a really long time. I don't know if you guys remember the OG Escalade build, but this color right here is the same purple that I used on that build. I've missed it a little bit. You know, we've been going with like the teals, the greens, the pinks for a long time now. So I decided to switch it up. I'm going purple and like a matte black mixture on the RZR. So I'm really excited. You guys can see the color here without any clear. It has some pearl to it, but definitely if you're gonna do just this color by itself, it needs at least like just a simple clear, but we don't do simple around here, or at least I don't anyways. So I'm doing Junior Rockstar, Junior Rockstar Clear by Prismatics, which is just a fine glitter sparkle, and that is exactly what I had on the Escalade. So I'm super excited, and this is one of my all-time favorite powder coat colors I've ever done. So let's finish it up. You guys an example of the joys of powder coating. There's always going to be some random shit that goes wrong for absolutely no reason at all. You can do everything the same, prep everything the same, spray everything the same, and there's still going to be random things that just mess up for no good reason. Like this right here. So, all the parts were spraying beautifully, right? For some reason we had all this back ionization. Tried changing the settings on the gun, literally everything. Everything else sprayed perfectly, except for these. So, not everything's perfect, you know? And I think it's important to show that. Don't you think, Brian, sometimes? Don't you think?
Zach would say right now that people
Sometimes
that want to become, or people that want to start in this business have to get their mental health checked first.
Oh, you definitely have to get your mental health in check first, because there's just no reason for it. Like, you can do everything right and something's still gonna mess up. So if you're in a bad mental state like me 90% of the time, it's not a good time for you. So that's why I don't powder coat sometimes. So I thought it would be cool to show you guys how I'm gonna fix this, or attempt to fix it anyways. So I always have the powder coat experts in my comments. I'm sure you have something to say about this. If you say it doesn't happen at your job, then you probably spray textured black at your industrial powder coating job. You only spray industrial powder coat if you say this doesn't happen to you, and even then you're probably still lying, so kiss my ass. But we are gonna take this outside. Oh, hi, Jay.
Hey, more cheap labor.
Yay! And take it outside, spray it off, put it in the oven for just like a short time, just to get the like electro charge out of it and all that jazz. Then we're gonna spray it again and see what happens. Voila! Beautiful! All fixed. Ooh, the sparkle! So, what's going on here, Zach? Why do we have the skid steer here?
Well, I gotta figure out how to get this sumbitch out of here and into there.
At least it doesn't have to go too far, I guess.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have it ain't got no legs on it.
It ain't got no legs. So I'm gonna finagle this thing out of here with that.
So,
Somehow. That, plus a trans jack, plus some casters.
you know, you're fueled by McDonald's, so I think it's gonna go well.
That's how I keep this girlish figure. I figure out where the other two seats went.
I know, I told you, I think someone took them. I'm not lying.
Well, at least
Seriously, they're just gone.
at least you got two.
I know, but we
That's the
need,
same amount that I got. You got two, I got two.
but
You
we
got
need
one.
more than two.
You don't know the real neat thing?
That's out of there.
That side's on wood. There's no pin even in it.
Oh, God.
This, and see how many times you can hit me in the head till I die.
This is sketchy.
Sketchy, sketchy.
Don't think the cage is gonna clear the door.
I got more bad ideas.
I love that ideas.
I mean, we could take the
Can we
cage
get
off
this thing
here.
scooched back? We can't get the cage off.
No. Too low in here.
Can we scoot the
Oh.
whole razor back?
Yeah.
Will that fit in that in here?
No. I ain't got time for this motherfucker either.
What's
It's
planned?
yours. Well, the plan is we're gonna set it on the ground. I'm gonna tie a chain around it. I'm gonna drag it outside, and then we'll pick it up from the side. It's got skid plates for a reason. See, look, it's already been skidded on
Yeah,
some
it's
shit.
fine. It's kind of a hunk anyways, so
Right. Oh,
it's
shit.
it's only gonna get better from here.
I'm gonna have to pick it up and move that jack.
So Ethan brought a cherry picker. We're gonna try it this way.
We're about hang, no, never.
No, I can't get very high.
Hang down.
Should we put something?
Is there a break?
Ethan, are you gonna move before he lifts it up? Okay. I don't want to see you get crushed. Oh shit.
Sure, I can go. You can do first. Go down, Ethan. Hold it down. Hold it down.
What do you think, Vega? How are you feeling right now? Gonna Ray, what do you think? Oh, Vega's much concerned. Much concerned.
My name is Tire Pop.
And we're in here, finally. Just a couple sketchy situations later. It's no longer hover mode, but still ain't got no legs. Petey Pablo, what are you doing? What are you doing, Petey?